a data analyst, and I just want to analyze 50 different mobiles from this website and make analysis through AI. So let's give AI that I need to analyze this, and the target website is this, and say target records will be 50, means 50 mobiles to be analyzed. So first problem we get is that it does not able to actually interact with the website due to some anti-bot mechanisms, it, and some visualizations are not coming out, and it just giving the program to run it locally, and so there are three main problems here. One, it the anti-bot mechanism. So Gemini needs a scraper. Two, when the data becomes too heavy, Gemini just uh, hallucinates the data and give different insights, like deviates the insights. And three, it does not provide a sandbox to run actual programs. So Gemini meets three components: scraper, database, and a sandbox to run the programs and get insights. That is what my project Axiom Agent, a AI-driven analytic analysis system or an agent, an automated secure self-healing framework from web data analytics, wherein which we can give same prompt in our terminal. Say our prompt, like our link, our components, means this means scraper, database, sandbox, and AI, means uh, we are using all four of the. We can also detach like db, sb, and AI, sb, AI, db, AI. So this is a detachable pipeline. Same, our mode is for now is autonomous, and our target records is 50. We are using bright data scraper. This query undergoes to Gemini, and Gemini will return the exact labels to extract from the scraper, and uh, that labels will be passed to oh, the npx command, and this is the npx command to create the scraper. So we get the collector ID here, but there is a small problem here, that we cannot specify the target records in the CLX, which is resolved in a amazing manner by my solution. So the program runs it for 60 seconds. Basically basically we are running the scraping command in our program for 60 seconds and stopping it after 60 seconds to and acquire the records up to which the scraper is scraped from the website before terminating by, by our local command. So after 60 seconds we got the 80 records. If not 60 seconds is sufficient, it goes to 90, then 120. If not 120, it applies a linear regression between 80, 60, and 120 and their rate of speeds to get the exact amount of time required to scrape the data, which wherein which this time-based mechanism reduces the credits cost, credits draining. So the records are stored in DuckDB database, and the summaries of the tables will be passed some only summaries to secure the data. We only sending the summaries only to the Gemini, and Gemini will return us a program to run. Gemini has some questions on the data, like skewness, max min, वगैरह, and all the, or even so regression also prediction. So all these questions of the Gemini will be returned as a program which will be run by our Docker sandbox. Like basically we should run this in the background to do it. So yeah, once the sandbox gets executed, the pipeline, the sandbox output means print statements, all of this will be returned to the Gemini, and the Gemini will process this all kinds of data along with the previous data. We are not giving the actual data for privacy, and as these are our credits, and the pipeline will be completed, and the Gemini will return the record for it, which is basically a record of insights, which is the answer to our actual question. So Gemini has prepared this entire description for us, alongside with the visualizations which is stored in the locally. So yeah, this is my project open for this. So these are also the scraped data from the just wait this. So when we don't use the time-based mechanism, this will goes to like 1000, 2000, up to which like it has like 20 pages, right? 20 or 30 pages. So yeah, this is my project. In summary, we need to provide Gemini the database, scraper, and sandbox, and make a pipeline. So that is my project. And also we encountered some problems like in the code we cannot specify the number of records in the scraper creation, so that we can terminate in the time based strategy to get exact number of records and reduce costs. Thank you so much.